Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. In today's video recipe, I'm going to show you masala sausage, which can be served with pav buns, bread toast, and this is perfect for your Sundays. Here I've laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. I'll be using spicy chicken sausage, which is cut into coins and reserved. I'll also be using finely chopped onion, tomato, some curry powder, chili powder and pepper powder. Here I've heated a wok on medium flame. To the wok I'll be adding groundnut oil. Try to use groundnut oil, it gives a good flavor and taste. I'll add the tomato and onion. We'll fry the tomato and onion till the onion turns transparent. So as a South Indian, we tend to eat idli and dosas on a regular basis. Especially for Sundays, I try to switch it up with something which is going to be something very different and new. So here I've added chili powder, curry powder and pepper powder. I fried all the ingredients. I've added salt. Now I've added quarter cup of water. And the onion and tomato is cooked at this point. The entire moisture content is evaporated. At this point I'll be adding the sausages. I've used spicy chicken sausages. So all the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I've posted a detailed recipe. I've also translated and posted the same recipe in Tamil language. Tamil channel link will also be listed in the description box below this video. I fried the sausages for a minute's time and added half a cup of water and cooked the sausages on medium flame. Allow the excess moisture to completely evaporate and the sausages to cook. It's okay if there is tiny amount of moisture left. At this point I'll be adding coriander leaves and tiny amount of lime juice. Fry all the ingredients and I'll serve it hot with butter toast or with pavs. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe friends, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. All the links to my blog and social media will be listed in the description box below this video. All the ingredients used in this recipe will also be listed in the description box below this video. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.